Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Cellcard plan you want to cancel and why. Once done, locate your SIM number, IMEI, account PIN, and government ID, these speed verification. Make sure billing is clear. Any outstanding balance may block cancellation. Next, choose how you'll proceed. The app or online portal is fastest. A phone call to 128 works if you prefer talking, and an in-person store visit handles complex issues directly. Start with the method you trust most. You now carry out the core cancellation actions. If using the app, open account, select Manage Plan, then Cancel. Follow each confirmation prompt and save any confirmation number. If calling 128, clearly state your request, answer verification questions, and write down the reference number you're given. For an in-store visit, hand over ID and SIM, request the agent to cancel, and print a receipt. Throughout, listen for fees or minimum term penalties, and confirm the effective cancellation date. You finish by confirming cancellation via SMS, email, or app. Check the effective date and any final charge. Once done, reboot your phone and reinsert the SIM to verify service stops. Make sure you're not on roaming or a backup line. If the plan still appears active after 24 to 48 hours, return to the contact method used, request escalation, and ask for supervisor assistance. Keep all reference numbers. One key tip: document every interaction. That record helps resolve disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.